Okay, I will teach you things about polar bear and how they survive in the wild. This is their mama taking care of their cubs and hunt for them for foods. This is the habitat of the polar bears. They are the largest land carnivores in the world and excellent swimmers. These polar bears are marine mammals spent of their time in Arctic Sea. Polar bears feed most exclusively on seals. They are also known to eat walrus, beluga whale, and bowhead whales. Penguin. These are the enemies of polar bears. They are called Eskimos. They hunt for polar bears for their food because in cold land they don't have any food.